I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to the Bit Integrations plugin dashboard. Create integration. Search for and select newsletter as a trigger. Now choose a form or a task name. Click the Fetch button. Next, go to your form page. Fill out the form and submit it. The data has been successfully retrieved. Set action. Search and select an action drip. Give here the Drip API token. So please visit Drip user settings. Copy the API token and paste it on the integration site. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Next, choose an account. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in actions and conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next, finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the Drip dashboard. Under the People, navigate to the Active. Here you can see that the data came successfully in the drip. Thanks for watching.